Hi, welcome to our video on how to unblock a sink. If your sink isn't draining properly, chances are there's food or waste stuck in the pipe. Luckily, there are a few quick and easy ways to clear this. Use a plunger. The easiest way to fix most blockages is with a sink plunger. Place the plunger over the plug hole, then block the overflow with a wet cloth. This helps to create an airtight seal. Pump your plunger up and down using fast, regular motions. After a while, the water should begin to flow again. You may notice a small whirlpool over the drain. That shows the blockage has been cleared. Use a drain snake. You'll find them for sale at most DIY shops. Slowly feed the snake into the drain. Stop once you meet some resistance. Now, twist and pull the snake. You should feel the blockage begin to break up. Once there's no more resistance, slowly take the snake out again and give it a good wash. Use drain cleaner. When using drain cleaner, be sure to follow the instructions on the bottle and try to choose a more environmentally friendly product where possible. To get started, open up your windows. Then pour the cleaner down the plug hole. You might hear a gurgling sound as the liquid breaks down the blockage. Once you're done, rinse the sink and the plug hole with plenty of hot water. If the blockage still hasn't cleared, it's time to call in a trained plumber. And if you're not covered already, you don't need to worry. When you buy Home Recover from OVO, we'll set you up with our most comprehensive plan to help keep you protected. We may be able to fix your issue anyway. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful.